Just want to make a quick video on the Roku. If you got a little Roku box like this, I use a little sticky tab to stick it under the TV. I've got it hung on the wall here, and you have the HDMI plugged in. It flashes when you turn it on. I'm using the side HDMI port. It's like MHL or something also, I think. Anyway, and then there's two down here in the back, but I'm using the one on the side. And the Roku bot, it just flashes on and off until you unplug the Roku and plug it back in, then it works normally. But it's still not fixed right. Basically what you want to do is come down to display type. Hey, it changed it back to 720. Well, let's auto detect. That's strange. I changed it to 1080 just a second ago and it changed it back. But anyway, I think this is the problem. Let's see here. You didn't confirm. Well, maybe that's why. Okay, yes, it still looks good. You have to go up one. Still looks good. Detected 1080p, it says on the bottom. So we'll go out of it and then come back in. Okay, it shows on the bottom 1080p. Or auto detect. Before I didn't have it on auto detect, I had it on 720. So yeah, I hope this helps. Let's turn off the TV and turn it back on and see if it does that still. Nope, went straight into it. So that was the problem. Just gotta adjust your resolution. Please like this video so other people can find it. Thank you.